We finna try for real.
Hey, make me bang it on the set. Go and take the bottle to the net. Look, do save it.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Shelly, and I'm back with another video. Today's video, I'm gonna be trying out viral TikTok snacks, the cotton candy pickles, and these jalapeno things with the TAKIS. So we're gonna be testing them out today, and I'm gonna be rating them, and I'm gonna be giving y'all my honest opinion on how these taste. All right, before we get into the video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, click the post notification button to be notified anytime I upload. All my pictures are down in the description, so go follow me on those, including my website. So go shop, and yeah, let's get into the video. So we got jalapenos. You can't see me right now, but that's okay. We got jalapenos. We have some pickles, some cotton candy, and some cream cheese and TAKIS. Those are the ingredients that we're gonna be using. I'm gonna try the cotton candy and the pickles first. I've seen so many people say that the cotton candy and the pickles are nasty, so I'm super duper scared. So we're gonna do that first. So yeah, for majority of the people that I seen, they said the cotton candy is nasty, and then they really make it seem like the TAKIS and the jalapenos is like the best ever, and it's the best combination ever. First, we're gonna make the cotton candy pickles. We have our pickles. Oh, and we have our cotton candy.
First, I'm open the pickles. I'm strong. So we got a pickle, and I'm gonna put it on my cutting board. Okay, so I think y'all can't even see. We got the pickle. I love pickles. Like, pickles are good. We got the cotton candy. I haven't eaten cotton candy in so long. You can take this out, and I'm gonna basically try to put it around the pickle. So break it up, take the pickle. Try the cotton candy pickle. I'm scared. This looks like it's gonna be nasty.
This is what it looks like. She look kind of ghetto. We're gonna try 3, 2, 1. I'm having like mixed emotions about this. Like, hold on. It's nasty. That's nasty. When it was mixing, and then like there was a point where it kind of got a little bit good, but then it went back to nasty. This is nasty. I'ma rate this. I'ma rate a 6 out of 10. No, not even, like a 5.5 out of 10, because this is nasty. The next thing that we gonna be trying out is TAKIS with jalapenos and cream cheese. So Okay, so now we got the concoction. It look good. I personally like spicy stuff, so I think I'ma like it. But we finna try it. That's good. It's good. Like, it's not good to the point like the way they were hyping it up. It's not that good, but it is good. Like if someone offered me this, I would eat it. It's not like how they was hyping it up. They was making it seem like it was the most tastiest thing, but it's good. I'll rate it a 8.5. 8.5 out of 10. Towards the end of it, you start to taste just like the vegetable. And if you don't put enough Takis in it, you will taste more the vegetable than you even taste anything else. Alright, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all give it a like, comment, subscribe, click the post notification button to be notified anytime I upload. All my socials are down in the description, so go follow me on those, including my website, so come shop with me. And yeah, thank y'all for watching.
Okay, bye.